In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a shared mailbox in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a shared mailbox so it appears alongside your own folders, making it easy to read and manage messages as a team. A shared mailbox is great for group addresses like support or info because multiple people can access the same inbox. Before we begin, just make sure you've been granted permission to that mailbox by your organization. Without permission, Outlook won't let you add it. Let's get started. Look over to the left side of Outlook where your mail folders appear. Find the section labeled Folders. This is the root area that sits above your inbox, sent items, and other mail folders. Right-click Folders in that left panel to open a small menu. If you don't see the word Folders at first, try scrolling to the top of your folder list or look for the top-level entry for your account. The option we need will be there. From the menu that appears, click Add Shared Folder. This tells Outlook you want to connect to a mailbox that's shared with you, rather than creating a new one. A small window will open asking for the shared mailbox name or email address. Start typing the official name of the mailbox, or enter its full email address if you know it. Outlook will often suggest matches as you type.